Meaning of flywheel.
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 Flywheel. A flywheel is a heavy rotating wheel in a machine that stores kinetic energy and helps to maintain its rotational speed. It acts as an energy reservoir, absorbing excess energy in the system during periods of high demand and releasing it when needed. This results in a more stable and efficient operation of the machine by reducing fluctuations in output power. Flywheels are commonly used in engines, turbines, and other mechanical devices where there is a need for smooth and continuous energy transfer.